In this video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So in your mobile app, just tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right. Scroll down and then select settings. And then click on account info. So in here, you need to verify your email and your phone number. So as you can see here, I'm already verified. So to enable voice chat on Roblox, you must be 13 plus. So that's why you need to put your birthday here. And then to verify that, you need to upload a ID. So whatever government ID that you have, that can prove that you are really a 13 plus users. So just follow the verification step in your mobile, and once you're verified, go back to your settings again and click on privacy. So in here, you can now see the option enable voice chat. You won't see this option if you did not verify your account, but because I already did, I can now enable the voice chat on Roblox. So just toggle that one and click on enable. And that's it. You can now start using your microphone settings while playing on Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.